The future belongs to e-mobility. Electric motors, fuel cells, powerful accumulators and hybrid drive systems will reshape private transport. Exciting changes and many new and considerable challenges lie ahead. It's therefore important that the questions of tomorrow are answered today.
Of course, I want to limit the impact of my mobility on the environment. But is e-mobility safe for my family?
Are electric cars and their technology just as reliable as my old car? Could I service and repair these cars in my workshop just like I do the other ones? Comprehensive knowledge is the #1 priority for a competent partner in the field of e-mobility. We have therefore established the DEKRA E-Mobility Competence Centre as the focal point for all e-mobility information and expertise, from stable charging to vehicle safety through to the comprehensive training of industry experts. Our certification centre in Arnhem is a long-standing partner of the electronics industry. It lays down the charging electronic standards that are used to test products extensively before market launch. What is the maximum permitted amount of dust penetration for a charging station? How often can it be plugged in and out? And how durable is a cable? Important questions to which our engineers seek and find reliable answers using specially developed tests. For peripheral devices are only really safe if they're tested before market launch. We therefore work hand in hand with industry and lawmakers to determine and establish suitable obligatory testing standards at an early stage. This is done for charging stations as well as, for example, the electromagnetic compatibility of electric cars. The experience gained and the data obtained by our experts in Arnhem is integrated into the internal DEKRA network and processed for global DEKRA research in our e-mobility centre. Just like the data from the DEKRA Crash Test Centre in Neumünster. This test facility allows our experts to simulate a wide variety of accident situations and their consequences. The resulting data is vital information for the development of safe electric vehicles and for passenger protection. An essential building block for integrated e-mobility competence, because safety must be given the highest priority. And this is consistent with actual range, driving dynamics and performance potential. On our own test track at the DEKRA Centre in Kletowitz, our specialists push the electric vehicles to their limits, just as they do on various performance test stations. We do not rely on results that can only be achieved under optimal conditions. These findings are collected and analysed on an interdisciplinary basis within the DEKRA organisation and are also made available for training purposes. For it's important that garage operators and their employees build up e-mobility expertise today in order to be able to respond to customer requirements and wishes in the future. This need is addressed by our extensive training and continuing education offers, which we are able to offer for every type of e-mobility drive system, from all-electric motors to hybrid engines, thanks to our research and testing activities. Accumulating knowledge, disseminating knowledge. That is the situation today, and that is how we want it to be in future too, in the interests of road safety. Whether we're talking about the best charging stations, maximum road safety, driving dynamics and performance, or the processing of knowledge, we want to ensure that all your questions regarding the mobile future are answered. As a competent partner for all safety-related issues for every type of vehicle, today and in the future. DEKRA, on the safe side.